have 1 cup of original cream cheese, not the whipped one, this one. And then I have 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. And then I'm gonna be putting about 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. This is mimicking a cream cheese, like basically kind of like a cheesecake, but this is all you need when it's a filling. I'll be mixing it very well and putting it in the fridge until I'm ready. I used a fork to mix it, and I want to show you the consistency of it. I tasted it and it's pretty good. The reason I'm using white granulated sugar is because I feel like it will basically brown on the top, hold well, and I will show you guys the end result. But I'm super excited about these. I love the muffins they sell at Starbucks. And if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with coffee, anything, and this goes well with coffee, so I can't wait. I'm gonna place this in the fridge and I'll be making the muffin part. All right, here in the mixer, I have the pumpkin puree, the 3 eggs, and the oil. I just have it on stir because I want the spices to get evenly incorporated. And once it's all mixed together, that's when I'll add in the powder mix, the dry ingredients. I just don't want it to all be in clumps. It already smells amazing. I don't know about you, but Texas weather is so hot in the summer that as soon as I see pumpkins, I want you to see how thick this mixture is. It's a very thick batter, but I'm making muffins, not cupcakes, and they're supposed to be dense. That's why I use the box cake mix, but I don't add water like it asks. My liquid is from the pumpkins and the oil and the eggs. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna take you now to the counter so we can put our muffins together. All right, so this is the brand. I got it today from Kroger. They're tulip cups. I put 1 in each of the cupcakes. And then I'll be using a cookie scoop just to make sure that it's about equal for each muffin. This might be a little time consuming for some of you guys. I don't know where my other cookie scoop is, so take me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna distribute it this equally amongst all of the 12 muffins. I'll be right back. Okay, so I was wrong. It's 10 muffins, not 12. And I'll be putting 1 tablespoon of this cream cheese mixture, and I'm gonna try to put it in each one's batter like this. See, putting my spoon in, using another spoon to let go. So part of it is inside of the muffin. See, look. Let me see. How can I show you? This might be a better view. I'm gonna tuck the bottom of the spoon in halfway like that, and then use another spoon to let go. I'll do that to all of them. So this way it's kind of inside of the muffin, but I also want it to be peeking, because if you notice their muffins, the cream cheese is also showing on the top. And then I'll be putting some pumpkin seeds on the rim, the top of them. All right, I'm almost done. I'm gonna take some raw pumpkin seeds and just put them along the edges on the top. Just a few. The beautiful thing about having a house full of boys, I have 3 boys, alhamdulillah, is they'll eat anything I make. So I love creating and they eat it. Even if it's not up to my standards, they still love it. So I made them these muffins the other day. They tore them up. They didn't make it 2 days in my house. So today the only addition I'm doing is adding the cream cheese filling, and I'm sure it's gonna come out good. All right, and now I'm gonna bake them in the oven for 15 minutes. How delicious do my muffins look? I'm sorry, but anybody that doubted Dena's experiments got proven wrong just now. Anyway, this needs to set, so I'm just gonna let them come to a complete cool while they're still in the tin. I'm just not gonna mess with them. And I can't wait to eat one of these. Look at how good they look. I hope you guys remake my recipe. I'll be posting it as soon as I'm done with my kitchen work. So I want to show y'all, I put these in the refrigerator because the cheese looked like it needed to set, and it did once I put it in the refrigerator. Look at that. I'm so happy with how these came out. They're so delicious and flavorful, and my kids actually were shocked that I made them because they get this at Starbucks. I'll try my recipe and send us a remake. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Now I'm about to make my harissa cupcakes.